A straight, paved pathway with rectangular stones and grass features lush, manicured gardens and tall, slender trees, illuminated by warm, golden spotlights for a serene, elegant atmosphere. A winding stone pathway lies beneath arching trees and dappled sunlight, lined with vibrant green grasses, purple lavender, and white irises, while small lanterns hint at magic. This winding pathway curves through lush, manicured gardens at dusk, featuring large, feathery palm fronds, warm directional spotlights, and a rocky incline with a subtle, cascading waterfall. A winding stone pathway meanders through a vibrant garden flanked by colorful flowers, a cascading waterfall on the left, and a tranquil, reflecting pond on the right. A winding stone pathway crosses vibrant grass at dusk, illuminated by warm landscape lights that highlight the rough stone wall, creating a serene and inviting magical atmosphere. A vibrant, illuminated pathway winds through a tropical garden, featuring cascading waterfalls with ethereal blue light, exotic pink flowers, and colorful patterned stones for a dreamlike atmosphere. This picturesque garden path winds through lush greenery, illuminated by warm overhead fairy lights, leading to a rustic wooden bench nestled among blooming flowers and diverse succulents. A winding stone pathway curves through green bushes and purple flowers lit by ornate glowing lanterns as the dusk sky transitions from soft pink to deep blue. An inviting outdoor patio features a winding stone pathway with moss, cozy seating under warm string lights, and lush purple plants against a softly illuminated wooden fence. A winding stone path traverses a green garden, flanked by a gentle stream and tranquil pond, leading through a natural archway of red flowers toward bamboo forests. A winding stone pathway is framed by rustic wooden beams and white curtains, adorned with bohemian hanging decorations and twinkling string lights for a truly enchanting atmosphere. A winding pathway of light pavers is lit by modern black bollard lights, flanked by slender trees and dense bushes, leading toward an intricate metal trellis background. A winding stone pathway illuminated by hanging lanterns leads into a magical forest, featuring mossy stones, exotic flowers, golden sunlight beams, and colorful parrots on a branch. A winding wooden boardwalk curves through a sun-dappled garden, featuring raised planters with vibrant flowers on the left and a profusion of wild foliage on the right. A winding cobblestone path curves through a magical forest with gnarled mossy trees, glowing lanterns, whimsical wooden signs, and abundant white flowers amidst a soft, dreamlike mist.